Pleasant good morning to everyone. Once again, welcome to our English class. In this class, we are going to see about vocabulary from Unit 1 and 2. First, let us see synonyms and antonyms from Unit 1. Accept, accept, take, career, profession, comfortable, cozy, deteriorated, meaning is become worse. Early, early means initial or beginning. Embracing, embracing, it denotes shameful, it refers to shameful. Evolved, device. Favorite, most liked. Impact, powerful effect. Impact means effect, we can say it as effect. What is the effect of that? What is the impact of means that the effect. Then importance, significance. Importance, significance. Inevitable, unavoidable. Inevitable means unavoidable. Insistence means demand. Insistent means demand. Invariable, invariably, always, that means constantly. Invariably means always or constantly. Next one, legend. Legend means famous person. Sachin is a legend, that means he is a famous person. Like that we can frame different sentences also. The next one, loud, desired. Loud, loud, desired. Never, not ever. Never, not ever. Often, frequently. Often, frequently. Orientation, meaning is direction. Orientation meaning is direction. Passion, passion means strong desire. Passion means strong desire. Priority, first concern or prime importance. First concern or prime importance. Pursue, follow or chase. Pursue, follow or chase. Regress, meticulous. Regress, meticulous. Regress means strong effort. Strong effort. That is called as meticulous given here. Scrutinize, examine carefully. Scrutinize, examine carefully. Started, began. Started, began. Subconscious, innermost. Subconscious, innermost. Virtually, nearly or almost. Virtually means nearly or almost. Now let us see antonyms. Antonyms means opposite. Achieve, fail. Achieve, fail. Active, inactive. Active, inactive. Always, opposite is never. Benefit, opposite is setbacks. Or loss. Best, worse. Best, was. Common, uncommon, common, uncommon. Complete, incomplete, complete, incomplete. Conveniently, inconveniently. There's a mistake there. Conveniently, inconveniently will come. Conveniently, inconveniently will come. There is small mistake is given there. Deteriorated, improved. Deteriorated means worse condition or decline. That is the meaning of deteriorated. Meaning is improved. Next one. Difficult, easy. Difficult, easy. Difficult, opposite is easy. Next one. Dirty, opposite is clean. Dirty, opposite clean. Drag, push. Drag, push. Experience, inexperience. Experience, inexperience. Famous, infamous. Famous, infamous or obscure. Famous, infamous or obscure. High, opposite is low. High, opposite is low. High, opposite is low. Next one. Informed. Informed, opposite is unknown or incomplete. Informed, opposite is unknown or incomplete. Insane, insane, opposite is rational. Insane, opposite is rational. Next one. Inevitably, avoidably, opposite is unavoidably. Inevitably, opposite is avoidably. Then lucky, opposite unlucky. Lucky, opposite unlucky. Often, opposite rarely. Often, opposite rarely. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. Punished, rewarded. Punished, rewarded. Next one. Regular, unusual or irregular also you can use. Regular, unusual or irregular. Rigorous, easy. Rigorous, opposite is easy. Rigorous means hard. Opposite is easy. Next one. Road, kind. Road, kind. Next one. Safety, opposite danger. Safety, opposite danger. Next. Serious, serious, lightly. Serious, lightly. Strict, lenient. Strict, opposite is lenient. Strict, opposite is lenient. Successful, unsuccessful. Successful, unsuccessful. Ultimately, meaning is finally, opposite is initially. Reasonably, unreasonably, opposite is reasonable. Winning, opposite losing. Then come to the second unit. Appraising, assess or evaluate. Appraising, assess or evaluate. Cast, that is synonyms. Casting, synonyms means meanings. Casting, showing. Casting, showing. Chimming, melodious ringing noise. Chimming, melodious ringing noise. Constant, continuous. Constant, continuous. Cranking, bent to start. Cranking, bent to start. Cranking, bent to start. Muttered, utter in a low voice. Muttered, utter in a low voice. Muttered, utter in a low voice. Speaking in a low voice, that is called as muttered. Prosperous, flourishing. Prosperous meaning is flourishing. Prosperous meaning is flourishing. Shattering meaning breaking. Shattering, breaking. Shattering, breaking. Slithered, slide. Slithered, slide. Springliness, lively and energetic. Springliness, lively and energetic. Translate, rotating gate. Translate means it is a rotating gate. Valuable, worthy. Valuable, worthy. Verge at the edge. Verge at the edge. Verge at the edge. Witty, intelligent. Witty, intelligent. Witty, intelligent. Then come to antonyms. Altered, fixed. Altered means changed, meaning is changed. Here unchanged or fixed. Altered, fixed or changed. Fewer means less, meaning is less. Opposite is more. Fewer meaning is less, opposite is more. Then remembered, forget. Remembered, forget. Next, blessing, curse. Blessing, curse. Next one, shadow, light. Shadow, light. Dizzy, firm. Dizzy, firm. Opening, closing. Opening, closing. Later, earlier. Later, earlier. Lively, dull. Lively, dull. Long, short. Long, short. Buy, sell. Buy, sell. Offense, defense. Offense, defense. Allow, allow, stop or disallow. Allowed, stopped or disallowed. Elderly, young. Elderly, young. Decided, undecided. Decided, undecided. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. Fragrance, sting. Fragrance means nice smell. Sting means bad smell. Fragrance, sting. Opposite is sting. Silence, silent. Opposite, noisy. Silent, opposite, noisy. Constant, inconstant. Constant, inconstant. Opposite. Easy, opposite, difficult. Easy, opposite, difficult. Favorite, opposite, hate. Favorite, opposite, hate. Stretching, opposite, constricting. Stretching, opposite, constricting. Valuable, opposite, worthless. Valuable, opposite, worthless. Valuable opposite worthless. Collected opposite scattered. Collected opposite scattered. Bravely opposite cowardice. Bravely opposite cowardice. Bravely opposite cowardice. Excited opposite calm. Excited opposite calm. Silent opposite noisy. Silent opposite noisy. Right opposite is wrong. Briskly means fastly, meaning opposite slowly. Briskly, slowly. These are the meanings. Now we are going to see homophones, a vocabulary part. What do you mean by homophones? Homonyms and prefix and suffix. First we are going to see homonyms. Homonyms here spelling same, pronunciation same but different meaning. Spelling and pronunciation same but it gives different meaning. For example, cricket. Cricket is a popular sport. It refers to game. Next, a cricket is active at night. Here, a cricket is active at night means it is an insect. I already told you. It has same spelling and same pronunciation but different meaning. Then, bank. Bank refers to what we deposit. Money depositor is called as bank. Money depositor is called as bank, and also the side of the river is also called as bank. I went to bank to deposit money. I went to bank to deposit money. Here, next one, the river bank is polluted. Here, will also it gives different meaning, two meanings. Caesar will was shown to the Romans. I will work hard. Caesar will shown to the Romans. Here next one, I will work hard. Similarly, bark. Noise of the dog is called as bark. Dog barks loudly. Then bark of the tree is medicinal. Bark of the tree means outer cover of the tree is medicinal. That is, there is a meaning of the bark. Then watch. I bought a watch. Watch means the what we see time is called as watch. We will watch you. That means we will see you. We will monitor you. Then it gives two meanings. Next one. I am afraid of bats. I am afraid of bats. Next one. He hits the bats with his bat. I am afraid of bats means it's a bird, a type of bird which travels on which is visible only in the night time. He hit his bat with his ball with his bat. That is a cricket bat. Next one. Homophones. Homophones means homophones means different spelling, same pronunciation, different meaning. Only pronunciation is same, spelling different, and also meaning also different. In no, KNOW NO, B BE, to TWO, TOO also will come. What, that is comes in physics. Can WHAT, that is question, asking question. Right, RIT. Where, WHERE. Bear, bear. Heard, but the spelling changes HERD, but the pronunciation is same. Thorn, thrown. Similarly, prefix and suffix also is there. Prefix means what you add in the beginning of the root word. Suffix means what you add at the end of the root word. So the next class we will see the remaining. We will revise the remaining. Thank you. Have a nice day.